Hey guys, in this video, we are diving into traffic sources setting. This lets you display pop-ups based on where your visitors are coming from, whether it's search engines, social media, or other sources. So let's dive in and see how it works with Popper. So right now, as usual, I'm at the Popper's dashboard. Let's go to campaign. Let's create a new pop-up from here. Let's name it Popper Demo for Traffic. Sources. Right. Let's choose from template. Let's choose. We have multiple pop-ups over there. Let's choose this one. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's make it in left hand side so that it can be visible to you guys, because on right hand side you can see my video over there. So let's click on next. And after that, we have covered everything. Let's go to audience. Then we have to go to traffic sources. Let's open this. And here you can see show the pop-up to visitors from specific traffic source. So you can show them, by direct traffic. If someone is, kind of landing to your website by entering the URL of your website, so it will be considered as direct. Then we have organic, in which you can see Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Baidu, Yandex, etc. Then we have socials. Then we have email as well. It's really beneficial if you wanna target some of the pop-ups according to traffic source. Like if you wanna show some kind of pop-up or wanna give some kind of discount to someone who is coming from LinkedIn, then you can enter it. Then you have to close this, and then you have to update this, and it's there. So it works like that. And let's see an example. If I will click on this direct, and yeah, direct means if someone is directly coming to your website by entering the URL, so it means direct. So let's see how it works. I'll click on next and then I'll update it. So let's go to our demo site to see how it works. So right now I'm at my demo site, so let's refresh it. And yeah, here you can see the pop-up, because we came directly here by entering the URL. So yeah, that's why we can see the pop-up. But if we have came here through some social media like Twitter or maybe Instagram or some kind of search engine like Google Index or Bing, then we will not be able to see the pop-up. So let's see one more example. So in the traffic source, we have already set it to show only to the direct users. So what if I'll come to the website using, social media? So let's see it live. So for this example, I have changed the URL of Popper's Twitter to Popper Demo. So let's open this in new tab and see what happens. So yeah, this time we are not able to see the pop-up because we have targeted only the direct visitors. So what if I'll change it to Twitter? Let's change it to Twitter, close this, and I'll update it. And now let's go to Twitter again, open this link in incognito. Let's wait for a while. And yeah, here you can see the pop-up. So yeah, it works perfectly because this time we have targeted only the users which are coming from Twitter. So that's how it works. And similar to this, similar to show, you can also do the hide. So hide, works similar to show. If you don't want visitors from Facebook or something like TikTok to see the pop-up, then you can exclude those users and conceal them according to your marketing campaign and whatever you're targeting. So it's pretty simple and useful, and I hope you will use it in your next marketing campaign. Thank you.